This tutorial, I'm going to share with you about 2017 Honda Civic import duty cost. How to calculate it is also more important. So if you have this idea to clear your car, it's a fair idea to help you get insightful and the right amount to pay to your agent, and also help you to analyze your costs, your profit. If you want to sell this car, this will give you the breakdown of everything, which is more important. So if you haven't yet subscribed to every quarter center, kindly don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to stay updated, because this is the home of auto. But before I start, I'm not an agent. I don't clear cars for people. So description charges is and the description charges the rate, base value USD, and the amount itself. So CIF is 9,000 USD, import duty 10%, base value is 9,000, VAT is 15%, and then against base value of 9,900 USD is 1,485 US dollars. NHIL of 2.5% against the base value of 9,900 USD is giving us the total charge of 247.50 US dollars. Then we have a GETFund levy of 2.5% against the base value of 9,900 USD is also going to giving us the charge of 247.50 USD. ECOWAS levy of 0.5% against 9,000 USD is going to giving us the charge of 45 USD. AU levy of 0.2% is going to give us the base value of 9,000 US dollars, which is the total charge involved is 18 US dollars. We have exim levy of 0.75% against the base value of 9,000 US dollars is going to give us total charge of 67.50 US dollars. Then examination fee of 1% is also going to give us the base value of 9,000 USD, and the total charge is 90 US dollars. So let's take note about that. Then special import duty of 2% against the base value of 9,000 USD is going to give us 180 US dollars. So let's also take note about that. Total taxes in USD is 3,280.50 US dollars, and the total taxes in Ghana cedi is 36,048 Ghana cedi. Agent fee average starting from 25,000 to 6,000 plus, and something higher than that is 2,500 Ghana cedi. That's the starting average charges of the agent. So let's take note about that. And then the port and terminal charges is 1,800 Ghana cedi, and then the documentation and examination fee is 700 Ghana cedi. So total clearance cost in Ghana cedi is 41,048 Ghana cedi. So let's take note about that. So disclaimer for this: figures are estimated based on 2026 Ghana custom duty structure. Final payable amount for your car depend on GRA valuation, ICUMS assessment, exchange rate, or at port, and actual clearing agent charges or fees, which is more important. So let me quickly summarize this. We have CIF value, that is bill of lading, that involve the purchase price, the insurance, and the shipment. That's what it means, or what we call CIF. So let's take note about that. Import duty of 10% is giving us the total charge of 900 USD. VAT of 15% is giving us 1,485 USD. NHIL of 2.5% is giving us the charge of 247.50 USD. GETFund levy of 2.5% is giving us 247.50 USD. ECOWAS levy of 0.5% is also 45 USD. AU levy of 0.2% is 18 US dollar. Exim levy of 0.75% is 67.50 USD. Examination of fee of 1% is 90 USD. Special import levy of 2% is 180 USD. Total taxes in USD is 3,280 USD. Total taxes in Ghana cedi is 36,048 Ghana cedi. And then agent fee average starting from 2,500 Ghana cedi. Port and terminal charges is 1,800 Ghana cedi. Documentation and the examination fee is 700 Ghana cedi. And then total clearing cost, that's the total import duty and taxes that we are going to pay to clear this car, is 41,048 Ghana cedi. But let's note that this is not the actual amount you are going to pay. Maybe depend on your car, depend on the where you are bringing the car from, where you bought it, the location, the price, the CIF cost, that's the bill of lading. So all these are involved. So this may either increase or decrease. Either it will lower or it will go high. So let's also take note about that. This is just an estimated cost that I've been doing for you. So once you purchase your car, you know that this is the exact thing you are going to do, and you can also create an account on the Ghana Custom GRA website so that you can able to access the IECMS portal. That will enable you, it will help you a lot to enter your car VIN number and the CIF in it, and it will give you the right calculation and everything that you are going to pay. These are some of the things, and I have to tell you the truth. I'm not going to hide anything. So if you are, I have made a video about that. You can check on my channel, and I also redo another video this year about how to calculate import duty, how to create an account on the custom GRA website to get the IECMS portal assessment to do your own calculation. This is Eric Auto Center, Ghana's #1 automotive channel, and henceforth we guarantee allowing you an excellent motor vehicle experience. Please kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, I don't know what you are doing. Please kindly subscribe, like my video, and share. Liking my video helps me a lot to get more recommendations from YouTube and other channels, platform, and newsfeed as well, so that a lot of people can also benefit it. Until I meet you in the next video, be better and not bitter. Stay blessed. I salute.